What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how to do affiliate marketing on Facebook, and specifically I want to give you 3 proven ways that work. I'm going to explain these ways so you understand how they work, which one's most effective and best for you and your current situation, because that's the question I get all the time. It's not necessarily how do you do it, it's will this work for me? Now, there's 3 different ways, all right? One of them is going to be using paid ads over on Facebook, but I want to explain how these different methods work. So, the first method. So what we're going to do is we come over here to Facebook, okay? So I'm going to write FB. And here inside Facebook, what we're going to do is we're going to go after groups, okay? So we're going to go after groups. We're going to go after pages, so G and P, groups or pages. Now, here's the reason why we do this. The reason why we go after groups or bigger pages is because they have a bunch of members that are already there. You don't have to create anything. So you go in and you reach out to some of these group members and you ask them questions. Maybe they ask a question inside of a fitness group. I'm struggling to lose the fat on my arm. What do you recommend, or what has worked for you guys? And they just ask this question out to the entire group, and people will respond in the comments. But what you can do is also, you respond in the comments, but also you send them a direct message. So this is the one I'm recommending you do. You comment, let them know kind of who you are, give them some help, but also send them a DM. And here's why. If you've ever been inside of a private Facebook group or joined any of these pages, then you've probably seen that they don't want you just posting links. They don't want you just posting, spam. Well, obviously, if you do that, they're going to kick you out. They're going to delete the post that you do put up there or some of the comments, and then they're going to eventually kick you out. So you're going to have to go try to do this somewhere else. But if you actually provide value, such as, you want to lose the fat on your arm, here's what I recommend. Do an extra 15 minutes of cardio every single day. Maybe do some tricep extensions. Do a little bit of bicep curls, but the main muscle should be your tricep. Now, once you do that, they'll probably respond, thank you, whatever. Maybe get a little bit more information from you. And that's where you go and send them a direct message, and you let them know. I'm just going to send you a direct message. I'm going to message you. Check your messages. And you actually go and send them a message. Inside the message, you can do the same thing. You're going to give them more value, but eventually you're going to have a product. It could be a course. It could be a physical product like resistance bands, or maybe it's a gym membership. I have no clue what you're going to promote, but you could go ahead and do that. So that's one way to do affiliate marketing on Facebook. The reason why I recommend doing this, and this should be for beginners, they're beginners, you get it. The reason why I recommend this for beginners is because Facebook, it's free to join groups and pages. It's normally free to send or to comment on a post and to do direct messages. Again, all free, all basic, but it's tied to your time, So here's my little clock. There's my little clock. 6, do a 9, a 3, you get the point. This is really tied to your time. Now, there's another way you can do it though. You start with Facebook. Again, obviously, you were talking about affiliate marketing on Facebook, so we're going to be using Facebook. Now, how is this method going to work, and how's it different from the last? So if you remember the last one I just showed you about 20 seconds ago, you notice we went to go and find other private Facebook groups, other pages. You can see right here. So got groups, we got pages. But what if we decided we want to create our own? We want our own Facebook group. So we want our own group. There we go. Have our own group. Once you have your own group, what we're going to try to do is we're going to get people to join. Now, why would we do this as opposed to this when it's already created? Well, here's why. When you own your actual Facebook group or your page, you can do whatever you want on it. You can go and put a bunch of files. You can go and post about different affiliate programs, different services. Maybe you have a course you're highly recommending for fitness. You could go and post about every single day if you wanted to. And that would be completely fine because it's your group. You can do whatever you want. Do I recommend you do that? No, you'll probably lose some of your group members, but you could. And that's a great way to get people to not only build your group, you can have them go and add more members. You can go and try to get them to get other people to join, talk about it. They're going to share it, and eventually the group's going to get bigger. When you have 1, 2, maybe 4 people inside the group, you're not going to make a lot of money, but it's going to be a starting point, all right? So here's what I recommend. Your group is going to go like this, okay? You're going to start here with very few people, and eventually you're going to get here. Somewhere along here, you're going to start adding, okay? That's an arrow, okay? Affiliate, okay? For that, links. Now, the reason why we do this in the middle, not in the beginning, is because people are not going to join. People are not going to want to see it. Here, you're just providing value, all right here, okay? So in these two things, providing value. I know my writing isn't the best, but you get the idea. So in the beginning, you're providing value. Down here, you're starting to add affiliate links because eventually it's going to grow and grow and grow. You're going to make more money because you have more people that are inside your group. You got more people that joined, all right? So that is the second way, and it's proven to work. Now, it does take time. I'd recommend if you are doing this, at the same time, go ahead and do this. Start your own group. And while you're sending them a message, okay, let them know that you have a group. Okay, you have a group. That arrow should be down. Anyway, you have a group. There's your group. So now they join your group, but they're also buying stuff from your links that you recommended. Maybe it's just stuff over on Amazon, or it's a product or a course over on ClickBank or Udemy, or a service you offer yourself. Okay, but then, so you're having a little bit of money from here, from the basic way. You're making a little bit more money inside your group. Your memberships are going up, getting more people to join, which is awesome. But then, how else can you make money, right? That's 2 ways. Let me show you the third way. This is going to be the third way. I'm going to put Facebook right here. Okay? Here's the reason why. I'm going to put Facebook right here, and this kind of ties into the other ways as well, especially if you have your own group. But what we are going to do here is we have our Facebook page or group or whatever it is, but we're going to run ads, all right? So this is going to be what our ads are pretty much coming from. This is going to be you got our name right here, okay? There's our name. Now, here's what we're going to do. We're going to target people on Facebook, and we're going to send them to a landing page, okay? A landing page, just like that, okay? Inside the landing page, the goal is we want to get emails. And if we want to, we can do messenger bots, bots, okay? And that's our goal. We want to get email addresses, and if we want to get them on a messenger bot, such as on Facebook, that's where it's going to be, then we can do that as well. Now, here's why I like doing this, because we have millions and millions of people we can be targeting over on Facebook, okay? And we're sending all those people to our landing page. Now, if our landing page converts pretty well, great. If we get a lot of people that insert their email addresses, awesome, because then at that point, we're going to be sending them emails. Email 1, email 2, email 3, email 4, email 5. You get the idea, all right? So the purpose of doing ads is, number one, you're probably making a little bit of money from affiliate marketing right now. So you can take that money and reinvest it back into your business, which I highly recommend. Now, if you are going to be doing ads, the one thing I recommend, okay, let me show you right here. One thing I recommend is you get your traffic from Facebook, you send them to a landing page. You do not send them to an affiliate offer. You do that inside your email, okay? So let me write affiliate. There we go. There, affiliate. You got it. Okay, so you do that from your emails as you send them the affiliate links. The reason why we do that is because inside the landing page, which is actually just going to be a free gift. So let's say, so that's going to be a free gift. Okay. So let's say, again, somebody's wanting to lose the fat off their arm, okay? Specifically their underarm, their tricep. What can we offer them that would entice them to, number one, put in their name and email address. Number two, subscribe to be on our email list. What could we offer them? Well, we could offer them, 10 proven exercises to reduce arm fat or reduce body fat for women or for men, whatever. Okay, we could offer them that absolutely free. Now, it is something that they could find online. They could spend, 10 minutes probably searching and find the exact same thing. Or they're already there. Why not just put in your email address and get this free guide? It will be delivered to you almost immediately. You can read through it. You can follow along. And then when you're done, it didn't cost you a single thing. You didn't even spend 10 minutes. Okay, so they do that. They put in their name, email address. Now you have their name, you have their email address, and you put them on an autoresponder, okay? So it'd be like this, email 1, day 1. Email 2, let's say day 3. Email 3, day 5. Email 4, day 7, and so on and so forth. By doing that, and every single time providing them with a link to the affiliate product you're recommending, what's going to happen is your conversions on this affiliate product are actually going to go up. You have a bunch of people that are already interested in it. Okay, so you've done that. You've targeted the right people. You gave them a free gift that they can't resist. Okay, so they're putting in their name and email address. Awesome. So you're doing that, and then you're promoting it inside emails. So instead of promoting it directly right here and probably getting banned or probably getting your ad shut down from Facebook, because Facebook doesn't like that when you directly link to an affiliate product. So if you do it this way and get their email address, you capture it, okay, with the landing page or capture page, you get their email address, and then you can send them emails right here, okay? And the best part about doing this is that you have their email address for life as long as they don't unsubscribe. And that's where you make more money as an affiliate. This is how you can become a super affiliate, as opposed to doing this, where you make some money and it's good money, but you're not making money like this. Okay, this is, you're using money to make more money. This one right here, again, is tied to your time. Okay, it still works, you can still make money, but if you're a beginner, this is where I'd recommend you start. At the same time you do this, I'd also recommend you start your own private Facebook group so that you can promote that here inside the direct messages or inside the comments. Now, if you want to do inside the comments, make sure you have the admin's prior approval. Kind of work hand in hand together. It'll work really well. But once you start building that group, okay, start adding some affiliate links, start offering different things, recommending different services. If it's something that is a monthly service, such as a email provider or some type of website builder or some financial service product, it's probably going to be a monthly recurring payment. So if that's the case, you can actually make more money because it's monthly. You get paid monthly, not just a one-time fee. Okay? So again, this one I'd start when you're just starting out, when you're a beginner, but this is going to be more advanced. Okay? And then this one, once you start making money from these two methods, then jump into this. Okay? This is going to make you a lot more money. It's not going to be tied to your time. It's going to be tied to results from your Facebook targeting, from your ad, how great your landing page converts, and then obviously how good your copy is inside your email. But really, that's it. Doing affiliate marketing on Facebook is not difficult. Most people look at it as the only way to make money with affiliate marketing on Facebook is through ads. And that's not true. Now, it's a great way to do it. It's a great way to make more money and turn $100 a day into $1,000 or $5,000 a day in profit. But that's not necessarily the way to start. You got to have money to make money if you're going to be running ads. So that's why I recommend just go into groups and provide value. At the same time, build your own group, and then from there, really scale that group, add more value, do your own products, come out with new things that you recommend, and really build it from there. That's where you're going to scale. And then once you really want to scale, that's where you start dumping more money back into your business, getting more leads, more emails, more people on Messenger, and just promoting that way. All right, so hopefully this video helped you out. I know affiliate marketing on Facebook is something that a lot of people talk about, but nobody really explains what's the best method for you. I tried to outline it right there. I know my writing isn't the best, but hopefully you get the point. If you enjoyed today's video and you're ready to start affiliate marketing, number one, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.